Lots of universities travel all over the world. We're here now. If you've applied before the university is generally coming to the country, they will ask to see you in country. So you'll have a portfolio interview where you sit down with a member of staff, as we said earlier, and we go through your work and you get the chance to talk about it. So if you are invited to an interview and you can attend, make sure you take that opportunity because it's the best way for you to represent your work. So for further education and postgraduate for masters, you apply direct to the university itself. So the university will either have an application form that you download or you can apply online. Something we hear a lot of in the UK is, why would you study in art and design? There's no jobs available. But in the UK, the creative industries has continued to grow, and it's one of the only industries that is still continuing to grow, even in the economic downturn. So we have 89% of the graduates from our courses are going into industry of the same areas what they've studied. So they're not just taking any job, they're actually finding a job within the subject area that they've studied. A tiny selection of careers that are available. What you generally find as an art and design student, the skills you learn are very transferable. So they can apply to many different industries. Obviously, as a designer, you are answering a brief. People are setting you questions and you answer it in generally a visual way, whether it's graphic design, whether it's filmmaking, and these skills are actually very transferable into lots of different industries. So the important thing is about where you decide to study. So once you've looked into the courses, you've decided what area you wish to study in, you then have to look at the universities and you have to make sure that they've got the facilities there and staff with expertise that can support you in your studies. There's a diverse range of places to study art and design in the UK. So everything from further education colleges to universities to specialist universities to multi-faculty universities. And so it's up to you to have a look round to find out the best fit for you. Because it may well be that some big universities might not have a lot of art and design within their portfolio. So you need to look at the libraries. Do the libraries have the books and articles that you need within your subject area? Within a specialist arts university, you know that everything to do with that university is about teaching and learning of art and design. Just if you're a medical student, you would want to make sure that you have the facilities to support you. So it's just as important to make sure that they have the facilities, but also the amount of facilities. If you're studying an area such as fashion, you want to make sure that there's plenty of machines for you to use. If you're studying film, there's studios, there's equipment, and the fact that it's all industry standard, so you have to make sure about all of this. And also look at the industry contacts. So where will you be going through your work placement, and where would you have the opportunity to go? Who can you get in contact with? So depending on where the university is, you have to check out the contacts of where it is. So find out where the students have gone on their work placements. This information should be available on the website, so you could say, yeah, that's the kind of university I want to go for. They've got the work placements in the right places for me. Reputation. Everybody knows about universities' reputation, so you can look at the university as a whole, but also look at the courses and the staff who are teaching on those courses. Make sure they're experts in their field. That's gone very quickly. So has anybody got any questions? No? Okay. Well, I'll be outside, so yes, have you? You're going to have to really shout. You're right at the back. Which course are you talking about, sorry? Yeah. It depends on the individual curriculum of each course. So within, so branding, for instance, can be very theoretical, and it can actually be quite a practical course. So you have to look at the individual courses. So we can carry on with that conversation outside. That's not a problem. Okay. Okay. No other questions? Okay. Thank you. Thanks.